Welcome to our tutorial on how to mark communities, as read on Facebook on PC with the new update. Follow these simple steps to organize your communities and stay up to date with the latest posts. First, open your Facebook account on your PC. Then, click on the Messenger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will direct you to the Messenger app. Next, click on the Communities tab on the left side of the screen. This will show you a list of all the communities you are a part of. Now, scroll through the list and find the community that you want to mark as read. Once you have located it, hover over the community and click on the three dots that appear on the right side. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Click on Mark as Read to signify that you have read all the posts and messages in that community. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily mark communities as read on Facebook on your PC with the new update. Stay organized and keep track of all the latest updates and discussions in your communities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Share this video with your friends who might find it useful. See you in the next one.